guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for giving me so much love on my first video, on my previous video that is. And today we are going to be making mac and cheese momo. I know it's as crazy as it may sound, but trust me, you're going to be more than happy with what it turns out to be. So we will be making two different variations of it, one being the store-bought version which will look like this, and the other being the gourmet version which will be made from scratch and it will look like this. And please don't judge me because I only know two shapes and also I'm lazy AF. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to be using the store-bought version. For that, you don't need to do any sort of hocus pocus. You just need to put the macaroni in the boiling water, and when it comes to a boil, just add in the taste maker and just stir it constantly until the gravy thickens. That's it. It's just easy peasy. And when it comes to a boil and looks like this, you just remove it and freeze it. So we take the same old patella again. And for my gourmet version of the mac and cheese, you need to make the roux, for which you need to melt some butter. And on the melted butter, you need to add equal quantities of flour and then mix it thoroughly. Guys, let me remind you that this sticks to the pan really fast, so you need to be very efficient on your stirring business. And then when it comes to this consistency, you just have to add the cream little by little. You can switch the cream for milk. I mean, I don't mind, but I like the creamier taste better, that's why. And I really like to get fat. And when it comes to a sauce-like consistency, you just need to add the salt and the pepper as per your taste, and then just make it into a smooth paste. And then you just add cheese. Yum! How can I forget? Cheese, yeah. I'm using cheddar, but you can use any cheese of your choice. And then you add the star of the show, the macaroni. Yay! And then you just mix it well. You can use protein of your choice, any protein of your choice, but I'm going full vegetarian here because I like to eat sabzi. Although there's no sabzi, but I like to eat my sabzi. And then you add the oregano and just mix it and freeze it too. And then it's time for some magic. Ta-da! Yay! Then you add some salt for your momo dough and just mix it well with the flour as usual. And then you add your piping hot water and burn down your fingers like always. Not doing the same mistake again. Duh, I'm so clever. Lesson learned. Thank me later. Okay, you're welcome. And then you just mix it well with a spoon, and when it's cooled down a little bit, then it's time to get your hands dirty, not before that. And then you make it into a rough dough, and then you just sprinkle some flour on the surface and then make it into a smooth dough. And you can use your other hand, as you're not blessed with 10 hands just like Durga Ma, so you have to deal with 2 hands only. I don't know, you have to deal with it. And then you're done. Now we take the rolling board and the rolling pin and touch some flour on the surface and quickly spread it out. Now we take a small portion of the dough and just roll it into a perfect go roti. Now, as you know that I'm officially the best go roti maker in this whole wide world, and if you kind of envy me and want to be like me, then I have a hack for you. And the hack is, drumroll please, a cookie cutter. Yes, a cookie cutter. You just have to press it into the roti, bigger roti, and make 2 or 3 smaller rotis, just perfect as mine, but not as perfect, but perfect. And you know what I'm meaning. And after making billion rotis and making a huge mess, it's time for the filling after cleaning it up. Now for the filling, we just take the store-bought version and put some more, and then we just make it into a half moon kind of shape and press all of it together so that it doesn't escape. And to make it look more beautiful, you just make some patterns with your index and your thumb, and ta-da, you have it. Now let's move on to the gourmet version, for which I'm going to take my mac and cheese in the center and bring all the corners, I mean, no, there's no corner in a circle, but you know what I'm trying to mean. All corners to the center, and just press it together. And ta-da! Now it's time for steaming it up. Ta-da! We have your steamed momo, guys. Now let's see what the store-bought version looks like first. Yum! Looks yummy! And then let's see how the gourmet version looks like. Yum! But it bounced off. Both of it looks yummy. Yay! I really hope you liked this video. Give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll be posting a lot of pictures of it on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. Links in the description. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and also tell me how it turned out to be if you are going to be making it. It will really make my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!